Fleet maintenance is a complex undertaking for any business operating commercial trucks. Coordinating repairs, managing maintenance schedules, dealing with breakdowns, and complying with government regulations are just some of the challenges fleets deal with on a daily basis. We understand this and have built a comprehensive platform to take many of these challenges off your plate. Wiers preventive maintenance programs are proven to reduce breakdowns and overall costs while improving uptime. Our technology solutions reduce record keeping and make tracking and analyzing fleet information simple and easy. When repairs are required, our highly trained service teams get your vehicles on the road so you can keep your customers happy and your bottom line healthy. Wiers is not your typical truck repair shop. Our fleet partnership plans are flexible maintenance programs specifically engineered to save you time and money. Plus, our ongoing investment in our business ensures you receive the best-in-class service and support you've been looking for. Every business is unique, and so is every fleet. Count on Wiers to help reduce fleet maintenance headaches. Learn more at Wiers.com to see why trucks roll when you partner with Wiers.